about to pick up my friend Marjory. We're supposed to pick her up at 10:41, but it's like 11:03 right now. I haven't got a text yet, but we'll get there. We are here. We can't find a parking right now, but I'm excited.
Are you here?
We're here. We're here. Tinggal ke sa car. Look on your left. Oh, sige, ako na hangap.
No, stop! Okay na. Why, son?
She's on this one. Finally made it home with my new guest.
It's Marge.
It's Marge. It's Marvy. Good morning.
Aloha, Nashville.
This is officially day one on Marvi's Adventures here in Nashville, Tennessee, and we are going to my aunt's house.
Yes.
And we're gonna swim, bond, eat some food, good food, Filipino food.
Yeah, can't wait. So exciting.
I'll see you guys later.
See ya.
'Cause we both deserve this time.
We're here.
All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day. 'Cause we both deserve it.
Hey gang, so it's me right here in the summer heat in Nashville, Tennessee. We are here, as you can see by the pool. We have food. Jessie. Thanks, Jessie, for this. And to the family, of course, very welcoming. Can you see that part? The name of the dog is Taco. It's a she. Look at that. Wow, go! It's a happy go. Don't slip, don't fall. Day one of my stopover in Nashville, and so far it's good. I'm relaxing out here because it's so hot, but no, it's good. I'll be staying here for 2 days, so I'm going back to New York on Friday, June 1st. So thank you, Jessie, and your family, of course. Not what I left you here.
Yeah, tomorrow we still gotta go to the falls.
Yes, and hopefully Taylor Swift will be swimming in the falls too.
In the falls, yeah. We are here at the Opryland Hotel, and this place is beautiful, man. Y'all gotta check it out. What do you think about this place so far?
I think it's magical. I think it's magical.
Alright, so we are about to head out this place.
Again, earlier I said magical, and now it's more magical. No, actually it's very beautiful, very majestic. It's a different kind of concept of hotel.
You guys should check it out if you come here to Tennessee.
It's like,
call me, email me.
what? Like, share,
yeah,
subscribe.
Yeah,
okay, so we're
where are we
heading
going?
out to eat somewhere. So we're gonna go outside.
We just got done eating at Whiskey Kitchen. What do you think, Marge?
Oh,
how do you like the food?
Yeah, I like the food. If I would have to rate it, it would be a 9 out of 10.
Out of 10. Are you
Yeah,
serious?
maybe because I was just too hungry and
Yeah. And now we are gonna go to downtown
to check
to
out
walk
some
around
gift shops.
some gift shops and buy some things. Hey guys, so we made it here in downtown Nashville with Marjury.
Want to see some cheap gift shops
Gift shops.
and a legit local country singer.
So we're gonna walk around here and just see what we can see and go where we can go. So basically here in Nashville, this is like expected. There's a lot of like street musicians. So what do you think?
That's cool.
So we are at a bookstore right now, and Marjury's gonna buy one. But it's buy one get one free.
Yeah,
So
I think this one is nice.
yeah, what do you think? Yeah, you should get that.
This
That's
is
pretty cool.
nice.
What do you think?
I don't think I'll look good on it.
You want the whole barrel?
No.
You buy the whole barrel.
I'll take this home to Hawaii.
Yeah. Yo, this place is Candyland, man. They got everything candy over here. They even got Tabasco candy jelly bean thing. That's cool, man. Like all this stuff right here also. Man. What is this place? I've been here in Nashville for like 10 years and I've never been in this place. It's crazy, man. It's like heaven, but sweet heaven. This is Broadway over here. Basically bars, left and right. There's so many choices, so you come over here, just like pick one. I'm sure you find a bar anywhere.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, for sure. We are gonna get some ice creams right now. Let's go. Like ice cream, let's go.
I have the Tennessee fudge.
What do you think?
That's really good.
I got the pink. Go home.
Yeah.
Good morning. This is day 2. We are gonna try to go to the falls today.
Yes, hopefully it's a good weather.
Yeah, it's
today.
nice weather today, so
My poodle with me. Thanks to Jesse's mom.
alright, so I'll see you guys at the falls.
Sometimes I wish we could go somewhere.
So we are here at Canon Falls, getting the rain stop, and I can't wait to show you guys the place.
I wanna know if these words are enough. Sometimes you gotta give it up. Sometimes you gotta not be.
Alright, so we made it here at the falls. We made it!
Jump in the water so far.
Yo! That water is freezing, man. But it's all good because we're having fun, so yeah! I'm gonna put this back because I don't want to get this wet. Alright, see you guys.
Sometimes you better not let go. 'Cause I need to know that we're in control. Jump in the water. Jump in the water so far.
So we just got done jumping in the falls, and now we're about to eat some lunch. And
The heavy stuff that we were eating
yeah,
earlier.
leftovers from yesterday at the pool. Yeah, so we have today.
We got the chicken, we got the rice, we eating today, we eating good today.
Eating good today. Not bad for a view. Alright, so the fun has been stopped. It is pouring rain outside right now, and we're in this little rock thing, just hiding. And I'm still filming. Gotta do it. This is production. Over here. It is raining hard. Woo! Alright, I'll see you guys later. Made it home after a long day at the falls.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I'm
Yeah.
so tired and sleepy. I actually took a nap while on the road, so I was like, I couldn't hold it anymore.
Yeah,
Yes, thank you, Jess. Thank you.
but you're welcome. Alright, so we are about to go bowling. My sister and our friend Marjury. And just kinda to show her around Pinewood Social. That's the bowling alley that's the bowling alley where we are going to go. We're here. Right. We're just walking. But we finally made it here. Bowling, guys.
Wait, what happened?
Marjorie definitely won the second round.
No, I won
No.
the first game.
Yeah, you won the first
Yeah,
game.
for sure.
She won the second round.
Yeah, but Sally gets strikes. Woo!
Yeah, I get strike too. I got two strikes. Yeah.
I was the only one that did it.
What do you think about the bowling place? You recommend it?
No.
No?
It gave me work, or us work. It's unique.
The atmosphere and like
It's definitely unique.
the bowling alley. It's kind of dark. Yeah.
It looks antique.
Antique, yeah. Yeah. We finally made it home. It's a long night. Yeah. Time to sleep.
Yeah, see, I'm so dark. I'm like everything black and my face is black.
I know. But end the night.
Ended the night with a bang. Just kidding. No, with a bowl.
With a bowl.
Bowl bang.
Bowl bang.
No, bowling.
Bowling.
Yeah.
See ya. Good morning. This is our last day here in Tennessee.
Yeah.
She's leaving us.
Uwi kayo ba?
But we're heading to the airport right now.
Yeah,
She's, where are you going next?
I'm going to New York. Yay!
Going to New York and visit her family over there. But we had fun over here in Tennessee. So
Quick stop over. It was fun. It was worth it. Thank you.
alright, see you guys later. Ingat ka, ingat.
It has been a wonderful time out here in Nashville, Tennessee. So thank you so much to the Canon family. Thank you. Okay, I'm going. See ya.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace. Bye. we basically just knocking this
Y'all
this
get
phone.
in this shot.
I mean this phone, this camera.
We have to hide it because they're is not the scaredy game.
I know.
I love country music.